Zimbabwe, the people are watching, the youth are speaking, the nation is rising. No to bill number 3, let the people step free. Raise your voice, stand tall today. Democracy must lead the way. No to bill number 3. Hear the cry from every street, from Harare to Bulawayo. The people say, Hatidi.
We were born to speak our minds, not to leave our eyes behind. Voices rising side by side for the future of Zimbabwe bright.
Every worker, every youth, every elder wants the truth. We stand together hand in hand for justice in the motherland.
Gati batane Zimbabwe, gati simukire pamwe chete kodzero zetu